All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Home Business Academy, multiple streams of income and infinite customer roll-up that they revealed this morning, okay, on the video that on the webinar that we were on with them this morning. Now, Mike and Paul has put in, months of working on this, and they have made some decisions that's going to enhance the Home Business Academy. And I, for one, can tell you that I'm very glad for what they are doing now, because I believe it's honestly going to help people earn that not only triple residual income, but help them earn income in other areas inside of the Home Business Academy as well. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you over to Mike and Paul. They are going to explain how the multiple streams of income work, and then they are going to explain how the infinite customer roll-up works as well. And you need to pay very close attention to what they're saying, because if you grasp what they're saying, you can see that there's great potential inside of this new system right now. What they are doing, no other affiliate marketing company has done. They have put in some long hours in this, months as a matter of fact. And this is beyond exciting, not only for me, but other people who are inside of the Home Business Academy as well. So only thing I can tell you, you have to see it to believe it for yourself. So what I'm going to do is take you over to Paul, then I'm going to come back, then I'm going to take you over Paul and Mike again, then I'm going to come back at the end and close out. Now, what you're going to see is a short version. If you want to see the whole entire version, there's going to be a link in the description. Click that link, go and watch the entire thing, so you'll have a great overview of what it is that they are doing and why they are doing it. And then if you can't watch the entire video, now it's long, I'm going to tell you it's long, but put it in your watch later, whatever, inside of YouTube. Come back and watch it later. But if you can block out some time to actually sit down, take notes, and pay attention to what they are saying, I believe you're going to see the broader picture. So if you want to earn residual income and from other income streams as well, affiliate program inside of the Home Business Academy, you can work with Richard Hairston. Click that link that's in the description. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm going to give it over to Mike and Paul. Talk to you later.
All right, so this is a big one. You guys like income? Does everyone like multiple income streams? Let me know in the chat. So we now have the ability to put your affiliate links for all the different programs that we recommend throughout the training. And this is a premium enhancement, as you noticed. So here's what's cool. Let me show you this. So if you own HBA Premium, you can save your affiliate link right here in the settings, okay? And what does this mean for you? Well, let's say you have team members that join you inside of your business. Well, they're going to see your affiliate links in their back office. So let's say they're going through, and I'll just show you a practical example of this. So let me see if I can pull this open. Okay, so let's say someone's going through the funnel builder training. They're on the setup phase, and it says, pick your autoresponder. And then it says, okay, recommended Aweber. Well, they're going to click this button, and it's going to go to you. So you're going to be able to save your affiliate link, and this is going to go to you, and you're going to get the affiliate commission. Now, the benefit here too, because it's at HBA Premium, is now if your downline signs somebody up and they're not premium yet, well, guess what? Your link will show up in their downline's back office and their downline's back office, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, until someone else gets premium and has it. So it's infinite roll-ups, okay? And basically in the settings, you literally just click on the multiple income streams, and you just fill in your affiliate links for each one. And this is locked at the premium level. So what do you guys think? Like, you're going to get, who thinks you're going to get a lot more premium upgrades because people want to have multiple income streams in their system? They don't want to lose Aweber. They don't want to lose any of the different things that are back there. So basically, and when we say infinite rollups, it doesn't go to the company if they don't have it. It goes to you. So you can have someone 10 levels deep, and if they don't have a link saved here, it'll go to you. It'll look for the next active premium member and see if they have a link. And if they do, it gives you the credit. So it's infinite roll-ups, multiple income streams built in. And so we've had many different programs that we've recommended in the past. And so we just decided, hey, why don't we let you guys collect those commissions instead of it just going to limbo or, the universe or, even this is what happened before. Like someone would they say, oh, I need Aweber. They just go to aweber.com and buy it. They usually don't even go to you or ask you. So that was a problem. So now we just have a link right below the videos, right below the training. So anyway, what do you guys think about that enhancement? Let me know in the chat. All right.
All right, now that was the multiple streams of income. Now we are going to find out about the customer roll-up. Nobody in HBA knew about this except for Mike and Paul, and they revealed it to us today. And this was just mind-blowing because this is something they were not doing in the past, but it's something that they're doing now. But I want you to pay close attention to how it works. Now, if you were in HBA with me, or if you ever been in HBA with anybody, you may want to get back in and really focus on this as well. Now, there's a link in the description below for you to go ahead on and go and watch the entire thing. If you can't, block out some time to do it, put it in your watch later. Just make sure you watch it. Go ahead and join the Home Business Academy. So right now, I want you to listen to the actual Infinite Customer Rollup and how that works. And I will see you at the end.
And so here's another one, customer roll-ups.
This is the one that nobody knows about. So, You know how I said, if you saw this at Freedom Fest, we'll give you one thing that you don't know about yet.
Cool. So you want to talk about that? Because I don't know if I want to, I'll probably hype it up too much.
Well, so basically what this means is if you enroll someone who sponsors a customer or two or more and then goes inactive and doesn't reactivate, we're going to send that person lost commission emails for 60 days. Because what do we want? We want them to upgrade so you get paid. Because if they're not paying, you don't get paid. So we want them to upgrade, and we don't want them to lose their own residuals. But if they go beyond 60 days where you are not getting paid, what is going to happen is they will be adios, and their customers will roll up to you. So this is a way that we can help people. Robin says, wild. Christine says, what? Yeah, so this is a way, I'll go back to one of the things that we knew when we started the Home Business Academy is that, unfortunately, not everybody always stays. I've been doing home business for 20 years of my life, and over that 20 years, I have seen a lot of people join and not stay. And that is a problem for residual income, right? Like if they quit, there is no residual income. So everyone's always like, what's the magical retention secret? How do we get people to stay? So yes, we want to ask those questions, and we want to keep doing what we can to help people stay. When we started the Home Business Academy, we thought, well, if we pay people 80% commissions, then if someone joins and doesn't stay, they've been paid well for their efforts. Like 80% commissions makes it so you can earn 2 years, 5 years of residual income in month one. So that is a built-in, attrition mitigator, being paid, high commissions. And so we're always looking for ways to deal with the reality that not everyone always stays. So this is just yet another thing that we can all have in our arsenal to deal with the reality that some people won't stay. So if someone joins, we help them get started, we help them refer a couple of people, then they quit. That residual income rolls up to you, and it'll be really, really good. In fact, I've already seen at least one. I was like, hey, where'd this customer come from? This all-in customer. I don't think I referred this all-in customer. Where did this income come from? And then I got to looking, and sure enough, the person that I had referred was inactive for beyond 60 days, not upgrading. So that customer rolled up to me and that increased my residual income, and that will happen for you as well.
Yes, and there is a good question on that. Is I hope this doesn't blur into MLM, and that's a good question because no, technically it's still one level. Because if you look at it like this, the person they joined completely quit, and they're gone. So they basically deleted from the equation, and so that customer roll up is now still only one level affiliate program. Does that make sense? So it's not a multi-level. Not two people are not getting paid on the same commission. So there's no like multi levels in payout. It's still a one level affiliate program. We just had a choice. It's like, do we tag that person to the company or do we tag it to the next person upline? That's all it is a change of sponsorship. And we actually already have that in place. Like if someone cancels for 90 days and they come back, they can come in under a different sponsor after 90 days. So the change of sponsorship stuff is already in place. So really, this is just a cooler way of changing sponsorship, right? Because the sponsor quit. Basically, the sponsor quit. We just changed their sponsor, So that's basically what this customer roll-up is. Does that make sense to everybody? All right, so it's not an MLM thing.
And it's better for the customer too, because they probably should have a sponsor, like someone who thinks about them a little bit, someone who might want to reach out to them every once in a while. So, this makes it so everyone will have a sponsor.
All right. So I said we'd answer questions at the end, but I just answered one. So anyway, we are at the end though. So yes, what do you guys think of the announcements? We'll do questions here. I know you guys, we want to respect everybody's time, so we want to answer questions. But if you do, let me just do one last call to action. If you do want to get started, so here's what you needed to go do. So go to thehomebusinessacademy.com/join. Okay. If you are a guest here, or maybe you've canceled and, are coming back, that's fine. Just use one of these, use the all-in package. That's the best package that you can do. If you want an individual product, you can do that as well. But get the all-in package. Literally just click on that link. And as you can see, it put my affiliate link at the top because I was tagged to myself because I was clicking on my own links. Right. You should see your sponsor there when you click on that link if you're on the same device. And then you just check out and get all the products that you want to get. So get Let's Goal, get 2 weeks free for premium. And so that's how you get started if you're a guest here. If you're a past member that's coming back, you can also get started this way. Now, if you have a login already, a member, and you're a member of HBA, you've already been logging in and you have an active product, I would go to this link right here, check out for existing members. So what you'll do is you'll check out there. You will fill out your name in there and then use the coupon code all in 2025, apply coupon, and then check on the products you don't own yet. So let's just say you don't own those products. You will see a 40% discount on all the different products you don't own yet. And that will get you access to WealthFlex, and you'll be all in, and you'll get all the different benefits of all of the different products. Again, this is just a one-time special. Normally, if you go all in later, after your first 7 days, you will have to pay full price. So this is just kind of like a relaunch of HBA. Would you guys agree that this feels like a relaunch in a way? Let me know in the comments. But so yeah. So anyway, Paul, anything before we get to Q&A, or are we ready to go?
Yeah, I'll just say that, guys, this does not exist anywhere. Trust me when I say nobody has this, what we just showed you. And this is just the beginning. We have the power to make this better over time. So if you want to build a residual income from home on the internet and you're not already in, get in. $10. You can literally start with Let's Go for $10, have an amazing product, have a way to build residual income, have access to the affiliate program, and then think about the other products. Or you can go all in, of course, if you're like, yeah, this is great. I want to do this. I'm going to go all in. I want to earn the most amount of commissions. Yes, go all in. We are here to support you. A lot of times over my years in business, people have said, Paul, what do you do for a living? And you know what I always tell them? I always tell them, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. And you just saw an example of how Mike and I learned software engineering because that's what it took. Did we want to do it? No, not really. It was a lot of work. It was a lot of work, a lot of complexity. But we did it because we're willing to do whatever it takes in support of the mission, which is to help you build a residual income, which is to help you be free, which is to help you have a business and a life that you love. We are willing to take one for the team, and we've done it, and we did it again, and we'll probably do it again in the future. So you'll be joining with a community of people who's super, super committed. And then the last thing that I want to say is, we didn't even show you everything. Like if you get in and start looking around the products and clicking on the modules, you're going to find things that we just don't have time to talk about. But we made everything so much better, so much better. And there's a massive amount of complexity packed into this app. But the beautiful thing is when you get in and use it, it feels simple, and it is simple. So, please don't let all the things we showed you. It's like, oh, it's just this and this and this. And no. The whole goal is to make it so when someone joins, it's simple for them to learn and grab their link and get started making money. So that's the user experience. Is it's simple and it's intuitive, and you'll find this when you start using it. And those of you guys who have used it, let people know, is this simple, or am I lying here? I don't think I'm lying. But sometimes it takes a massive amount of complexity to make things simple and good. And that's what I think we've done here. So we'd love to have you be with us. We are on a journey. This is not I hesitated even calling this a launch because there's so much negative energy and baggage with launch, because usually launch means I'm going to get your money and then I'm going to be gone next week. That's usually what a launch means. But no, we are here for the long haul. We would not have done this. Guys, we literally invested 7 months of our lives sacrificing our family, sacrificing sleep, sacrificing food. We would not have done this if we are not committed to go the distance and make this a long-term thing. That's the whole reason we started this company, long-term, right? Long-term. So if you want to be with a community that's long-term, which you have to be if you want residual income, in my opinion, this is the place to be. This is the only place to be. So yeah, get started and we will be here to support you. This is just the beginning. We'll be here all next week, every day, Monday through Saturday, and the next week, and the next week, and the next week, and the next week. So thanks for letting me share my...
All right, so that was just a portion of the reveal today. There's so much more that you really want to see. Click that link in the description below to get started with HBA today. Now, I know, if you were in HBA in the past, there was some reasons why you dropped out, and that's that's up to you. That was on you when you dropped out. You made that decision, but you may want to make a decision to get back in today, because I honestly believe that HBA is going to be the best affiliate program that pays triple residual income on top of multiple streams of income with infinite customer rollups that you're going to find today. They built this system themselves. Go and watch that video until the end. Click the button that is below that video. Get started with HBA today. When you get started with HBA, reach out to me. I will leave my contact information below. If you were in it with me before, come on back in. I would love to have you back with me in the Home Business Academy. I believe you're going to love it. So with that being said, go ahead on, click the link that's in the description. I will see you on the inside of HBA. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.